Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to color the inside of the table in Google Docs. So get it started. At first, open your Docs file. Firstly, create a table is going to the insert menu option. Click for the table option. Then create for table. Then table is out inside color in the table in Google Docs is the selected all table option and click on the more option, then click for background color option, then NSS color, then I show the color the inside of the table in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.